很好看你的耳环。
Would you like one? I've told my children that if they are good Buddhists and they study to the point of practicing mantrayana, then I will give them this earring too, and it will be a sign that we are part of a lineage. If I did what I'm supposed to do, right? If I didn't cut my hair and I let it grow long, which is what I'm supposed to do, given what I do, I would never be able to work in a university. But I need some other sign. So this works.
是不是里面红色的是钻石？
Yeah, it is a ruby. Yeah, it's a ruby. Yeah. Properly, I should have 3 small jewels to really make it proper. But then the people I work with are.
以前我们藏地那个年轻的那个小伙子都有就比较大一点的耳环，但现在好像没有，就很大的那种耳环。
No. Well, I thought about taking it out, but then I realized that I had a wife, children, and I was never, ever, ever really going to be a monk, so I might as well keep it.
很好，三宝有3个空3个。
It's good. Can I have a look?
Really?
Oh, very wonderful.
It does. Maybe next life I get to be a monk, or maybe my children can be monks. We'll figure something out. I think one of my children does want to be a monk, actually, but I'm not going to push.
对，不能催，慢慢来，先学习为主。
Yeah. No, in this society, if you push, they push back, you lose everything. Yeah, absolutely. But we have a ritual when you give a child a name in my wife's society. When you give a child their name, you show them a plate filled with tools. And the thing they choose is the thing that they're going to be, right? So 2 of my children have gone for the largest book they could find. One of them. So that's 2 scholars and a monk. So we're going to be very hungry when we're old.